In this video, we'll walk through how to set up the CareCredit integration in Impromed, allowing you to offer CareCredit financing options to pet owners directly from your practice management software. To get started, log in to Impromed. Then, click on the CareCredit logo to display the drop-down menu. Next, click on Settings, which will open your account settings. There are 3 steps to complete. First, check Enable to integrate with CareCredit and allow the CareCredit homepage to open. Next, enter your practice merchant ID. This is a 16-digit number, usually starting with 53. Finally, verify the correct fields are being referenced by CareCredit. Once complete, click Save and OK. That's it. CareCredit is now ready to use in Impromed. For more information on processing CareCredit payments and other support resources, search CareCredit in the Impromed support page at covetris.com.